This tiny lens turns your iPhone into a 200mm camera. Watch this.
Today I am going from my RASA 11 telescope, which is one of the most powerful telescopes for astrophotography, to another powerful little pretty much telescope for your phone. Today I am going to show you what this standby lens, zoom lens, can do, and if it's worth it for you to have it as part of your setup. And it comes in a very nice case, and that's all you need, and everything is in here. Let me show here the lens. Feels solid. It comes with an adapter ring. Also has another lens, which is a 200mm, a rubber eye cup. You just put that cup on, ta-da! Just go ahead and start looking. You can frame things before you go through the whole focusing and everything. It has the protected caps. They're really nice. They're rubber. Ta-da! And of course, the lens that I got is the Telemacro Pro 2-in-1, which is a telephoto plus the macro lens. And mine came with the phone case to attach the lens. But there are many options, as you can see here, depending on the phone that you have. You may get the clip instead of the case. The retail price for this kit is $89.98. The Apexel lens uses real optical zoom, which means it actually brings the subject closer using glass optics, so you keep sharp details and full image quality. Digital zoom, on the other hand, just crops and enlarges the image, which reduces resolution and makes photos look soft or pixelated. The Apexel 10X can focus from a few feet all the way to infinity, but it looks best at medium distances where you still get sharp detail. Here's, I'm going to focus more on the bright green area. And now on the other area, at the top of that tree, let's see, like right there. Now back to the green part, and the tallest part of the tree right there will be blurred. The first test went very well. Now it's time to test the macro lens and look for some flowers or insects. The dual function makes it very easy to switch from distance to macro, and for macro photography you have to be close 8 or 9 inches. And other great features that you can take videos too. I mean, look at that. That is amazing on this flower. And now I want to test the different focusing and different parts and the different effects I'm going to get on the photos. Focusing on the center of the flower, on the little flowers. Now I want to try a flower with more colors and some insects. I was having so much fun, I decided to go to one of the national parks here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and look for other type of flowers and maybe insects. For this image, I used the 10x telephoto, and look how beautiful it captures these flowers. Now using the telephoto lens, I want to see if I can capture some of those rocks and water. It did a pretty good job. Well, lucky me, I saw these tiny blue butterflies. They are called Eastern tail blues, and they are drinking minerals in a behavior called puddling. I was also able to photograph this goat, and she was probably about 30 feet away. The next stop was the Ripley's Aquarium, and even though that this lens is not made for low light, I decided to test it. Why not? This is a hard test for this lens with the neon lights and glass, but still gave me a beautiful photo. This lens is great for landscapes, so let's go ahead and test it. About a mile away, this cabin is very far. Because this lens is using real magnification, I can zoom in more and crop the image without losing sharpness. you are like me, that you love astrophotography, it's not for astrophotography and low light. With this lens 10 by, it's possible to capture the moon. I will be trying on my next video, but probably I may have to use one of the higher magnifications. As we can see here, they go from by 2 up to 60 bys. They have many options by the type of telephone, the model that you have. They also have a great page compatibility guide, and here you can see, based on your phone, your model, which lens can you get with the different effects. They have a whole section for the macro lenses, which I really love. It's kind of like addictive to photograph nature, flowers, and its insects. That was really cool. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more coming of Apexel on different models and short tutorials about the starting point settings, and I'll see you in the next few days.